Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly you have to open this screen what you want to capture. For example, it could be your settings list, and what you have to do next is to hold down combination power key and volume down at the same time, and that's how you take screenshot. Let me show you one more time: power key and volume down. You can also take screenshot by going to the control center here, and here you have screenshot button. It works the same way. You can find your screenshot in gallery, in the screenshots album here, and from here you can share, edit or delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.